So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to italicize text here in Microsoft Word. So first thing you have to do is open up Microsoft Word. Next thing you have to do is type in some text. So if I just wanted to type in, this is italicized, actually as you can tell, I spelled italicize wrong, of course, and it actually is bolded. So I'm just going to unbold it right there. Now, if you wanted to italicize the entire thing, what you can do is before you start typing, you can go to the top bar right here, make sure that the home bar is selected. Right beside the bold feature, so there's this B, there's this I that says italic. Go ahead and simply press on that. So every word that you type from this point on, this is italicized. Now, if you just wanted to italicize a certain thing, you can just highlight the word italicized right here, and then simply just press on this I for italic, and there you go. Now your text is italicized. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can italicize text here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.